So, hi. Okay, so I got you something very special. A digital micrometer made in China. Other thing I don't know, so let's see what I actually bought, I'm not sure. So opening the plastic box. By the way, this one is very cheap, so very recommended to buy cheap things if they work okay, so why not actually. So manual micrometer. Wow, a lot of oil here. I have no idea why they put a lot of oil. Something broken or not, I don't know. So let's see. So it looks nice. It has a bag, plastic bag, and aha, maybe this is to open the battery case. Maybe. Ah, it came without a battery. So at this price you shouldn't expect a battery, although if I look inside it looks like it has a place to put battery. Maybe the seller took the battery and okay, never mind. New secondary brand new. Almost. Okay. So again, the magic zero. Yes, and it is not. I don't believe so. Why? Okay, throw it to garbage. So anyway, my theories never works. Okay, so it looks like it is zero. Now how do I open it? How do you open this? Ah, okay. So what I want to measure is something that really need a micrometer. I have this nickel strip. Let's read. It should be a 0.015 millimeters. So I put it where I should, and then of course need to close it, fully close it, and wow, this is pretty accurate, you have to say. 0.152, and probably this needs to be 0.15, so this is a very acceptable number. Let's open it. Whoa, I'm pretty impressed, because this is what I wanted to see, that it can measure such a value. Let's take the second one. This should be 0.1 only. So again, I put it and close it. Look at that. 0. Whoa! It's very accurate. Look at this. Chinese seems very cheap, and actually it is working. Pretty amazed, guys. You have to admit, to measure such a numbers you must use such a tool. Now I have another strip that I bought, and I don't remember. Actually, this is why I really bought this device, in order to be able to measure strips that I don't know what is the size, the actual size. So let's see what the size of this one. How do I open it? I don't want it all to be fully mess. I will try to open just a little part of it, of this strip. I don't want it to mess over, so I will do something like this maybe. Yeah, and then I can measure. So I don't know what is the width of this one. I don't remember actually. So let's now put it and do the same thing, closing everything up. Whoa, and I can measure. This is 0.15 nickel strip. 0.15. So overall, you have to admit, this very cheap Chinese micrometer is doing its work much better than I have expected. So pretty amazed. And now I can write the number of this nickel strip, so I will remember this is why I bought it. So I will have a note on the strip, 0.15 millimeters. So that's all. I will leave a link for this device, and again do the reset for the exact. In order to calibrate it, you need to close it. And so what is this one? This is this is a tiny change. Okay, so you have the big knob, let's say the wider knob, so you have a gentle change, and then you have the little knob with a very big changes. So you can close it and then use the other one. So you need to use, in order to calibrate, the little one, because it has more force to close it, and you want it to be closed, fully closed. Okay, so overall I'm pretty let's say amazed, and I will leave a link. The one thing that is maybe a little annoying, let's say, is all the oil that they put, but probably because you have a moving parts here, so you need to put some oil, but I don't know if this kind of oil, and I don't know if so much, but other than this, pretty amazed. You have an on-off button, you have an inch or millimeters, you have the calibration, and you have a key to open the battery cover in order to replace batteries. And the very nice part, of course, is this case with a lot of oil. So now I will maybe clean a little the oil and put it back in its case. You don't need the oil. The oil maybe if something is stuck or one part is not moving, or I don't know, but actually you don't need it. So you can put the key somewhere here in a secret place, maybe here, I'm not sure, maybe, let's see. So we can put it like this, and the secret key, you can put it whenever, wherever you want. Maybe here. Not sure it will close. Let's see. Yes, it will. So, to summarize, we have the on-off button, we have the millimeter or the inch, we have the calibration to 0, we can open it, let's say wide open with the little knob, and slow open and close with the bigger knob. In order to put it to 0, you have to use the little knob, because you have to apply more force to see that it is fully 0. And then you can use both of them. You can use the little knob to open it. We have seen that we can get 0.15 millimeters. so I guess you can get 0.001, so it is 1 divided by 1000 millimeter, so it's get to micrometer. So this is micrometer. It is written, by the way, 0.001 millimeter, so it's 1 micrometer. You can get it open from 0 to 25 millimeter or 2.5 centimeters, which is more than enough. And you have the nice box that can protect this tool. By the way, the LCD came a little messy, but I can clean it. Maybe there is a screen protector, I'm not sure, but overall recommended and a nice tool. So this is the knob to opening the battery case. It can fit in and then you can close it. So overall a nice tool. It's doing what it should be. You have a very good resolution and you can get to 1 micrometer, so very recommended. I could easily measure the nickel strip, how much, what is the thick of them, and I could see very easily the chain between 0.1 millimeter to 0.15 with the bigger nickels. So overall I would definitely recommend this tool. I will put a link in the description where you can buy it, and again, if you are pressing my link, so it gives me some credit for your buying, so I would appreciate if you would use my link in order to order this tool, and thank you and bye.